When undertaking environmental education, it is important to know what the problem is. Find out who is involved, and think about what kind of program would be best. Be careful, because the requirements will differ depending on the participants. When actually undertaking a program, make up a proposal and seek cooperation from relevant individuals as you prepare. Publicity to get people to come is necessary. To make a program succeed, these kinds of planning stages are very important. Make sure to conduct final checks, including a visit to check the venue the day of the event. The basic flow of a program should follow that of introduce, develop, reflect. Creating a way for participants to discover things on their own is important. At the end, reflection time for participants will make things felt become internalized and learned. Be sure to practice safety management. To lead to more activities in the future, let's make sure to evaluate our results. Other feedback is important too. Evaluations by participants, or people who helped, provide valuable information. Let's also remember to thank and provide a report to people who helped with the event after it is finished. Consider the next environmental education program based on evaluation results, and use these to find ways to improve actions and behavior. Cooperation from other people is important. Filing useful information and program and evaluation materials can also be important for the future. By following this kind of plan, do, check, act cycle as part of your procedure, improvements will be seen in both environmental education programs and behavior.